Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. A woman is sitting under a big tree in the countryside. She has long brown hair and is wearing comfortable clothes. The woman looks calm and relaxed. There are green plants and dry leaves around her. The weather seems nice and sunny. In the background, you can see fields and nature. Basic vocabulary. Tree. Woman. Countryside. Leaves. Grass. Sunny. Calm. Relaxed. Nature. Field. Intermediate English. A young woman is resting under a large tree in a peaceful rural area. She appears thoughtful while enjoying the fresh air and the beautiful landscape. The sunlight shines through the branches, creating a warm and natural atmosphere. Around her, there are wild plants, fallen leaves, and open fields that make the scene feel quiet and relaxing. Intermediate vocabulary. Peaceful. Rural area. Thoughtful. Landscape. Branches. Atmosphere. Wild plants. Fallen leaves. Relaxing. Fresh air. Advanced English. A young woman sits beneath a majestic tree, immersed in the serenity of the countryside. Her contemplative expression suggests a moment of introspection and connection with nature. Golden sunlight filters gently through the foliage, illuminating the earthy tones of the landscape. The harmonious scenery, filled with textured vegetation and expansive fields, evokes a sense of tranquility, freedom, and reflection. Advanced vocabulary. Beneath. Majestic. Immersed. Serenity. Contemplative. Introspection. Foliage. Illuminating. Harmonious. Expansive. Tranquility. Reflection. Earthy tones. Scenery. Vegetation. Great job today. Glowing Star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.